I'm in my greenhouse today and I'm going to show you how I get my seed starting soil blocks ready to go. Are you interested in starting your garden from seed? Soil blocks is the way to go, and I'm here to show you how we do it here at Hillbilly Nutrition. This is my seed starting bucket. It's just a clear plastic tote that I put my dirt in, and I'm able to scoop out my soil blocks in order to put them in our flats. This is the seed starting mix I love. It's Jiffy Organic. I get it at our local feed supply store. It's maybe $6.99 for 12 quarts, and it's a wonderful seed starting mix that is inexpensive and it works great. This is my soil blocker. I got it from Johnny Seeds, where I order a lot of my seeds, and it works really great because I can put together 5 soil blocks at a time, and on a flat I usually plant between 50 and 55 seeds at a time. That's 50 or 55 plants on one tray. So this is my bin of mix. I've added water in order to create a consistency that when you squeeze it, some water comes out, but it also can hold its shape. That's what we're looking for in order to start our soil blocks. This is the soil blocker that I use. It produces 5 soil blocks at a time and has lived through many seasons with us, and I'm excited to start using it again this year. I like to wear a glove because the dirt really dries out your hands, and this time of year we don't need any help with that. So what I do is, with an empty soil blocker, I will gather some of the soil and pretty much mash it in to the soil blocker and make sure that we have an even distribution in each of the cells and there's nothing really sticking out. Once we have that soil blocker filled, I come over to my tray and pull up on the big fat metal part, let it go, and then lift up. And I've got a row of 5 soil blocks. This is places for 5 different plants, and in this one tray I can fit anywhere between 10 and 11 rows depending on how I space them, and that's 50 to 55 plants, which I don't know about you, but going to the garden center and thinking you're going to buy 50 or 55 plants seems a little expensive, whereas this is so much more affordable. Once you have your seed starting set up, your station set up, and your tools that you need, like a soil blocker and 10 by 20 trays, then you're going to be able to produce plant starts at a fraction of the cost. I could probably do a little bit more, but I like to leave a little bit of room, kind of equal amounts of room on all sides. I may be a little crooked because of the angle I'm at, but this allows me to plant 55 seeds today, and we'll get these under the grow lights and I'll take you with me. So I hope you get to planting this year and that we can help get you inspired and get going. Thanks, y'all. If you like this content and want more of it, come check us out at school.hillbillynutrition.com. We have free resources like seed starting checklists and garden planning, as well as kombucha making, but we also have a garden class that we just launched last year. So come check us out. Our purpose is to turn all of the homestead dreamers, farmers, and gardeners into doers. We hope that we can help you turn your dreams into reality this year. Thank you so much for watching. Give us a like, hit subscribe. We'll see you next time.